Scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app. Before you go further, please subscribe to our page so you can get all of our metal video updates to learn more about the scrap markets. Now, in the last few years, we've been able to start recycling O2 sensors through the RRCats team. And if you're looking to learn more about O2 sensors, well, you've come to the right place because I want to show you what we look for, and now you can learn so you can make more money with your O2 sensors and your other scrap. Now, where do O2 sensors come from? They're going to come from all types of gas and diesel engines. And a lot of people change these out because the sensors get plugged, they get congested with different types of debris. You can see on the top where this starts to get dirty, and you can see the soot kind of coming off. When these O2 sensors get clogged, you're going to see a massive amount of debris on the top, and that's when they normally start to get changed. So you'll see different colors on here, different darknesses, but when you have these O2 sensors, what we're looking for out of these is platinum. There's platinum inside of these O2 sensors, and there's a few things that you want to think about when you're recycling them. First and foremost, these have wires on them because they're connected to the computers inside of the cars. We don't want to buy this copper from you, so please, just like this customer did, either cut them off, rip them off, or make them so there's only a small amount of copper on there. So cut this off because we're not buying copper from you, we're buying O2 sensors. You can sell this as your scrap copper wire. Now, a few other things to think about. These O2 sensors have multiple types of material. There's platinum inside of them, there's steel inside of them, there's ceramics inside of them, but the great part is these are recyclable. So when you have these, what we like to do, we don't want customers to send these to us when they're attached to their O2 sensors, like this set of O2 sensors. This is where you would have it inside. I know it's not the right way, it goes like this. I know, scrappers, don't correct me, right? But if you sell this to me like this, we're not gonna buy that O2 sensor from you. But if you take it off and start saving them, about 16 to 20 pieces equal a pound, and this might be something that you sell once or twice a year. One thing that we've really heard about, auto repair shops, diesel mechanics, you're changing these out all the time. You're probably just throwing them in with your steel bin because you don't know what they're worth, where in reality, they're recyclable. We provide free buckets and free shipping for these. So if you're looking to get money for them, we'll send you a bucket so you can fill the bucket up when it's full. You put the lid on, you slap that free label on, you ship it to RRCats, and you'll get paid for these O2 sensors, where most scrapyards don't even know that these are worth money. So don't bring 3 pounds to your yard. They're not going to buy them. The team at Rockaway Recycling and RRCats definitely will. And after that, you're going to be able to make more money. And it might not be like, oh, I'm making an extra $100 a month, but if I give you a free bucket and you make an extra $100, $200 a year on these sensors, don't forget spark plugs are worth money too. We have another video on that. Why not make more money, learn how to recycle more, and as the prices of platinum go up, the price of your O2 sensor scrap is going to go up as well. So hopefully this video helps you learn. Any comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our page. And until next time, scrappers, I'll scrap you later.